Hey guys, welcome to Dragon Mania Legends. This is the second breeding I'm going to do. If you didn't see last week, I breeded Ash with how I bred Ash by breeding Meteor and Leaf. No, it said Leaf and Meteor, but I done it the other way, and straight away I got 16 hours. And this time, with Dragon of the Week, it's Bee and Candy. So I tried Candy and Bee and Candy, and then I fed my bee dragon all the way from level 11 to level 12. Yeah, and level 12 and 3/4. I tried to level it up to even more to level 13, but I didn't need to because now I've done Candy and Bee and straight away 16 hours after the feeding, obviously, not straight away or when I bred them. When I bred them, tried to, it didn't work, so I was like, And then yeah, I got it. Then I was like, I'm trying to sort out my land here because it's so annoying. No, I moved you there. So let's just go to my farms, which I can't. I don't know what this is. Eight hours. I don't even know what it's for. That's why I got it. So I read it, but don't understand it. So I'm going to watch some videos on how to breed the comet dragon, because it's a legendary, and then it would have been the first legendary I would have ever gotten. And so I'm going to go watch videos to get gems so I can upgrade this. I'm going to pay for it, so I'm going to watch ads. I'm going to go now, so 59 gems I need. Okay, bye. Hopefully you can watch me when I breed this dragon. Bye.